I chose to leave JP Morgan and join a very small company that ultimately was Livongo Health. I was 24 years old. I had no experience in healthcare. I just put myself in a position where I could be valuable to a much more experienced team and acknowledge the fact that I had very little experience in the things that we were doing. But when you just say yes to a project, to certain responsibility, it can have enduring effects. Things that I did at Livongo, which at the time seemed pretty small, 24-year-old Molly had to decide what is going to be our pricing strategy for our main product. I still have a picture of the easel that we used to kind of break down how we got to that pricing and why. We did it over the course of a day. We weren't sure if we were right, but it ultimately got us to $67 per participant per month. And that became the flagship pricing for Livongo through its IPO, through its acquisition. And if you asked anyone there how that came to be, they'd be like, I have no idea. And it's because it was just me and a couple other people in a room putting that forward. Those kind of things are such important moments. It tells you you don't have to have 10 years of experience. You don't need to talk to 10 consultants to get to the right answer. There is no right answer. All there is putting something forward, seeing if it works in the market, and then adjusting if you need to. And that's what we did. And I use that experience to give me confidence and conviction in my decision making today when I feel like I don't have the right experience or the right knowledge set to make a decision.